Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Logitech G735 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon, now go to settings, now press and hold power button to turn on your headphones, and after that press and hold Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Here we go. Now we should see it at the device list. And now click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!